Dave works as an IT operator at Vunair Airlines. He is responsible to monitor and identify the first-level problems. He uses log analytics to perform basic triage and then escalates the problems to specific groups. Now let me share a scenario to explain how Dave used log analytics to diagnose an issue when he received complaints from the customer. The retail website of Vunair Airlines is hosted on a distributed environment. Their website has multiple pages like login, search, payment, and each of these components are hosted on different servers. Dave receives multiple complaints from the customers that the search component is very slow. It is taking thrice more than the normal time. Dave uses the Unified Service Manager console of UIM to monitor his environment. So he navigates to the operating systems and then clicks on the Alarms tab to check the raised alarms. All components of the website are hosted on a bunch of web servers, so he filters by web servers. He finds the first alarm is raised on web server 2 as the average total CPU is 21.52%, which is 10% above the warning threshold because of the apache.exe file. To dig deeper, Dave decides to explore further. He filters on web server 2. Now he observes that the result displays a bunch of log alarms along with native UIM alarms. These log alarms are coming from log analytics and shows up the notified matches. He notices that one of the log alarm notifies that the product search component is running slow, resulting in increased response times. Dave observes that the UIM alarm highlights that the CPU utilization on web server 2 is 20.75%, which is above the warning threshold. Now to check the problem in context of log analytics, he clicks on the launch URL action icon. This shows log analytics in context of the search problem. He explores and notices that the slow response time is due to one of the web pages that has a response time of 699 seconds, and there is an installer linked to that web page. To learn more, he clicks on it. Now he can view the data as per the changed context. Dave observes the all logs events and finds that there is an installer which is downloading Cloud ITSM Asset Connector Installer, and it installed multiple times on this web server too. To check further details, Dave expands one of the nodes. He notices that the file size of the installer is 2 GB and someone is trying to download it multiple times from the web server too. This is causing high CPU utilization, and this in turn is affecting the other components to perform slow. After diagnosing the issue, Dave kills the download process for all these client IPs on web server 2 and disconnects those client IPs which are trying to download the installer on web server 2. Now the CPU utilization goes back to normal and the search component starts functioning properly. Therefore, by referring to the logs generated by log analytics, Dave diagnosed the issue quickly and resolved the issue by taking necessary action. Thank you for watching this video. For more information, please visit our education website.